Hey, that's good, Thomas. My name is Roberto Sampedro Guzman, and this is the video of the final presentation of my research project. I decided to do my infographic, which was a lot of fun, on the Agile software engineering methodology. Just to know what's the Agile Scrum methodology that we apply all along all this class, and then that was really helpful, and I learned a lot from it. So here, as you can see here on my screen, so I decided to start with the graphic. So this graphic actually shows here the Agile methodology, and then it gives you some steps from steps 1 to step number 5, and then I just put on the sides, like with the real words, not with the specific, but real words, what's that about. For example, so step number 1 would be requirements and definitions and analysis of the concept. That's basically concepts as an analysis, as you can see here, and requirements, that's calculated determination of the current state of the goals to achieve. So for example, step number 2 is planning of sprints. That basically means that we have to arrange the team and the tools needed to optimize the production, right? So a little bit under that, so we have what's Agile software engineering. So Agile software development isn't comprised of only one single methodology, but instead is the values and the standards around ceaseless item development. So it's always in constant development. One of the fun facts that I found is as per World Economic Forum, 33% of the popular jobs in product improvement will be released in Scrum by 2022. In addition, the interim Scrum Master and Scrum Professionals will be elevated by 37.9 in the upcoming decade. I didn't know that, and then I feel like that's a really good stuff to know. And then I'm glad that we spend a lot of time in the class working on Agile methodology. So this is also another graph that basically says, hey, I'm the owner of the product, and then a little bit it talks about the roles, right? So we have the Scrum Master, we have the Project Master, and then we have the Team Developer, and that's the way we did it also on the team project that we just completed. So a little bit under that, we have the Scrum roles, which is what I just mentioned, and then I put right here that explanation in words, like what it means, each one of the roles. So one of the properties and one of the characteristics, like any project should have, is adaptation, transparency, and inspection. And then I also put a little image. So what's that about? That's a canvas board. So how does Scrum work? Well, Scrum development process begins with a list of things to do, get highlighted, like why it's called the product backlog. So we have the product backlog and the sprints. Right here, I also found a lot of fun facts, like for example, why do companies choose the Scrum methodology? That's really good actually, because 75% of the companies choose the Agile Scrum methodology due to its fast delivery and software, and 64% agree on a better ability to change needs, as well as 46% of the companies also mention improve and enhance software quality. So there's some of the fun facts also. So demand on ABM, website, social media, and then I put right here the percentage that actually it shows like the brands and events and client services, how much percent of Agile and Scrum they are using. So what's Agile Scrum methodology? Scrum words originated from a rap game. We already learned that in class, so I put some of the content that we learned in class. I just put it right here. This is another core concepts of the Scrum. This is the product backlog, and the terminology and the steps that it follows. Right here I have the Scrum Master, like how what's Scrum Master and what's some of the tasks that it's assigned to. Right here, once that I finish that, I just set up the reference, and those are the articles that I was reading to, plus the class. Well, Dr. Thomas, this is the end of my presentation. It's been really nice, working with the team and yourself along the whole class in this course, and I just want to say thank you, and thank you for watching.